Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is January 10th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd shoot a quick video about LiveGood's mission. I know that this is something that's very important that often gets overlooked. So I'm just going to keep this video short, but I wanted to go over this really quick, okay? It says our mission is simple: to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. With over 92% of Americans deficient in one or more vitamins or minerals, most people are not getting everything their body needs from food. The longer your body goes without the nutrients it needs to stay healthy, you don't digest food properly, your organs fail to function at peak levels, and your immune system breaks down, all of which can be avoided through proper supplementation. Supplementation is not only important, it is literally vital to your health. With the combination of our food not giving our bodies what they need, and people not getting enough fresh air and exercise on a daily basis, this country is becoming more unhealthy than it's ever been. What's worse is that when people get sick, they turn to drugs to treat their symptoms instead of supplements to prevent the issue from happening in the first place. This has become an endless cycle for so many people, and it's getting worse and worse. It's time to make a change. At LiveGood, not only has our industry-leading team of natural health experts created the most complete, functional, and essential vitamins, supplements, and skincare products available anywhere using only the highest quality ingredients on the planet, but because we don't sell them through stores or distributors, we make them available to you at a fraction of the cost of other brands. All right, now I have my back office open, and I'm just going to click on the shop button and just show you this. And if you've seen my videos in the past, you know about these products, but I truly can't say enough good things about them. I mean, just take, for instance, right here, the Bioactive Complete Multivitamin for Women with Iron. It has 24 vitamins and minerals, immune and cardiovascular support, promotes healthy aging. And if I click learn more, you're going to see that as a member of LiveGood, you're only going to pay $9.95 for a 30-day supply of these vitamins. All right, and these vitamins are vegan, they're soy-free, gluten-free. All right, they have all kinds of vitamins in them and other essential nutrients that your body needs. And if you come down here, you're going to see that the competitors' prices are $46.80. all the way down to $29, but even with the $29, you're still saving 65% with our multivitamins. All right, so that's just one example. There's all kinds of examples. I love these products. I've been taking them every day since December 28th, and I just feel really good. I have a lot of energy. I'm super focused, and I'm losing weight, and it's awesome. I'm eating less, and so I can't say enough good things about this company and the products itself, all right? This is based on a membership model. So instead of paying affiliates huge commissions on product purchases from their referrals, the affiliates earn commissions on the membership and then inside the matrix. So that's why this company is revolutionizing everything. All right, there's not another network marketing company in the world that has these high quality products for the prices that they're offering here at LiveGood. All right, just there isn't. I've been doing this for 16 years. This is hands down the best. And you can see it right here, made in the USA. All right, it doesn't get any better than this, folks. So we have two sides of this. You can become just a member and buy the products, use the products, or you can become an affiliate and make money by sharing this with other people. All right, and if you'd like to learn more about that, you can click the link down in the description below. It'll be taken over to my page that looks like this. There's a 5-minute and 55-second video here that you can watch. And if it's something that piques your interest, then you can put your first, last name, and email here and reserve your position now. I'll also just put another link down there if you just want to shop the store. All right, we have lots of products here, and if you're not interested in the money-making aspect of this business, then you can just use the products. All right, I highly, highly recommend them. All right, so I'm just going to go back here and click on my team. I always like to give you a quick update on how fast our team is growing, and you can see here I have 10 personally enrolled customers and affiliates. I have 4 of them came in this month. But if I go down to all my levels, you'll see that there are 96 new members this month. All right. So this company is just growing like crazy. Our team is growing like crazy. And what I'm doing for everyone who joins me personally using the link down in the description box, I'm adding your link to our team rotator and I'm driving traffic to it every day to help you get some traffic. Okay. And I'll keep you in the team rotator until you rank up to the bronze level, which means until you have 2 personally enrolled members. All right? So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I strongly believe in LiveGood and their mission. I believe that this is going to be a company that's here for a long time, and it's only going to continue to get better as time goes on. All right, so there's no better time to lock your position into our matrix. If you don't know anything about that, check out my other videos. I have videos about the compensation plan and how everything works. And again, you can watch this 5-minute and 55-second video right here. All right, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I truly do appreciate you being here and taking the time to watch my videos. All right, so I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.